Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters, and today we're going to be looking at our new Halfords polisher. We'll be unboxing it, having a look around and giving you my opinion on it. So here is the Halfords Dual Action Polisher. So this was brought yesterday from Halfords. When you open it, the first thing you notice is a nice bag. Which is quite strong actually. There's ribbon here to keep it open. That's a nice bag, that is. And it folds up like that. Pockets on either side. There's pockets here as well, so there's 6 pockets in here, but the side ones are little and the middle ones are quite good. You'll probably find those for your pads, that's nice. The instructions, medium pad and soft pad. You got a backing plate with a handle, and you got the machine and get it out itself. Got here, which are 40s for tools to put the handle on and the backing plate. Also got, I think, some bushes and some tools to put the handle on and the backing plate. So let's put it together before we have a look. Plastic cap on the thread. Just hold that like that. And doing it work. And that is that together. Now we've got it together. There's an Allen key there. And key there, and that winds on with the spanner provided, and the Allen key provided as well. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. This does look the same as the one that you can get from Argos for about $49.99, and you'll probably find it's exactly the same machine, which I don't find that's a bad thing, because I had the Argos one before this. It dropped on my floor and it broke, but I did have about 3 or 4 years of good use at that machine, and it never let me down. It was a good piece of kit for what I paid for it at the time. But there's 2 snags that made me put the extra money to get this one over the £50 Argos one. And that is, the handle's different. The handle is much nicer, you can have it where you want it, it's not fixed. The backing plate, when you buy an Argos one, the backing plate is too big. You need to get a smaller backing plate. Now you can do that, they just unscrew on and unscrew on. But you don't want to be doing that really. This one comes with the one you need. On the Argos one, the lead is too short, and most people who bought the Argos one ended up going to a Sparky to put a longer lead on. Also, with this you get 3 pads to get you going, which is a nice bonus, and you get a bag. And now we're going to put it to test. We've got this Pajero front plastic headlight that's been sanded down with 3000 quick sandpaper. It's gone all misty like all modern cars do. Plastic headlamps for all oxidised, so what you do is you knock them back with some sandpaper, you polish them up. You've got your soft pad, your medium pad and your hard pad. For this we're going to be doing hard pad, and maybe we'll go with some black. But I just want to show people what it can or could do. The pads are quite well made. This is quite a hard pad, quite a nice pad that is. Now like I said earlier, this is the same machine as the Argos one pretty much. But straight away it's nicer to use. The handle feels in a nice position, because the position you pick it to be in. If you want it up there, you can have it up there. If you want it over the cut, you can have it there. And the lead, it might not sound much, but I'm going to want to bet the lead a lot. I feel like I've got more than enough now, which is nice. With the old Argos one, I think it was Extreme, the proper name was Extreme Polisher. The cord was never enough, so you lay over your back and the plug would be like just at the bottom of your legs. No good. This, nice long lead. As you can see, it's made made nice work of the headlight. That was sanded down with 3000 grit sandpaper to get rid of some oxidisation. And I didn't have any qualms about it doing that. I got on really well with the Argos one, the Extreme one, which is basically the same as this really. Them all rebranded ones are the same thing. The only thing that I didn't like about the Extreme one, the Argos one we'll call it, is the backing plate that was supplied with it was way too big, and the one pad that come with it was way too big. It was only good for lorries, trucks and all that, and the wire was too short. With this one, it addressed all them shortcomings. The wire was plenty long enough. It comes with 3 pads, a proper sized backing plate and a carry case. And I'll give the Extreme one a 5 out of 10 back in the day. I'll give this one an 8 out of 10 simply because it comes with 3 pads, the right size backing plate and a proper size lead and a carry case. Now if you want to spend 250 quid on a D8 you could get much better than this. A lot better, but for under £100 I'd be hard pushed to get anything better than this. That comes with pads, a carry case, a proper size lead. Until next time, bye bye.